Explain one of the method of earning money from coding? Are you a whiz with code? Great news! You can earn money from your skills. Ever heard of freelancing? It's a fantastic method. Simply sign up on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Create an attractive profile showcasing your coding prowess. Next, start bidding on relevant projects. Ensure your proposals stand out, highlighting your unique selling points. Remember to deliver quality work on time. This builds your reputation, attracting more clients. So, start now. Turn your coding skills into cash. Freelancing, a flexible, profitable way to monetize your coding expertise. Explain how to earn money in college? Welcome to the college hustle. Let's talk about how you can earn while learning. Ever heard of part-time jobs? They're flexible and many are college student friendly. Or how about online freelancing? Websites like Upwork offer opportunities to earn from skills like writing or graphic design. Tutoring is another option. Share your knowledge and earn money helping other students. Finally, don't underestimate the power of entrepreneurship. Start small with a campus-based business. Remember, it's not just about the money. It's about gaining valuable experiences too. Happy earning! Code optimization techniques? Ever find coding to be a maze of complexity? Don't fret. Code optimization is your ally. Picture this, your code, cleaner, faster, more efficient. That's what optimization does. Master techniques like loop unrolling, strength reduction, and data locality. Breeze through programming challenges. Imagine reducing debugging time, decreasing memory usage, and increasing speed. All possible with code optimization. Join us. Unravel the secrets of code optimization. Transform from a good programmer to a great one.